Good evening, guys. This is Dana from Russ's Ocean State Harley-Davidson, Warwick and Exeter, Rhode Island. Tonight we're doing a super quick walk around on this 2019 Harley-Davidson Street Bob in Billiard Blue. Milwaukee 8107, 6-speed cruise drive, all blacked out engine and exhaust, solo seat, integrated turn signals and directionals, new soft tail frame, dust boots on the fork sliders, LED headlight, nice mini ape setup, and a really cool profile on this tank. See how it's got like a sharp edges. I've heard some people refer to this as a tank that has kind of cobra flares on it. From this angle up here, it kind of looks like the back of a cobra. Also really cool on this bike is the integrated controls. It's right inside the bar clamp. You can see that you have all your controls. Makes for a nice, neat, there's no instrument cluster. Everything is integrated, so it makes a nice clean look. Adds to that bobber style front end. Come see this bike today and our other bikes in inventory at Russ's. It's oceanstatehd.com. So that's oceanstatehd.com. Have a good evening, guys.